In this video, I will introduce you to a device that brings a beautiful mix of nostalgia and modern engineering right into the palm of your hand. We are looking at the FiiO Snowsky disc, a high-fidelity portable CD player that is turning heads for all the right reasons. For those who thought the era of physical discs was over, FiiO has created something that feels premium and luxury. The first thing you notice is the stunning transparent lid. It allows you to watch the disc spin as it plays, which is such a satisfying visual experience. But this player is not just about looks. It is packed with serious audio technology, including high-end digital to analog converters that ensure your music sounds crisp and detailed. Unlike the old plastic players of the 90s, this unit feels solid and weighted, featuring a refined metal chassis. It supports both wired headphones via a dedicated balanced output and modern wireless connections with high-quality Bluetooth. The sound profile is clean and neutral, letting the original production of your favorite albums shine through without unnecessary distortion. Whether you are rediscovering your old collection or buying new releases from your favorite artists, this device offers a tactical joy that streaming simply cannot replicate.